Dear students, today I am going to discuss about some important topics on simple harmonic motion. Now, this is undamped oscillation. Undamped oscillation. If a body oscillates and if its amplitude remains the same, amplitude is not changing, then this is called the undamped oscillation. What is undamped oscillation? This and this will be always amplitude will remain same, it will not change. Amplitude always same. In a simple harmonic system, if a body vibrates with constant amplitude, then this is called the undamped oscillation. LC oscillator. LC oscillator. You will get this in class 12. LC oscillator. In this case, there is a feedback energy, and due to this feedback energy, amplitude always remains the same. In case of pendulum clock, you will see that the pendulum is always oscillating like this. Here also amplitude always constant. So this is the undamped oscillation. In a simple harmonic system, if the body oscillates with constant amplitude, then it is called undamped oscillation. Example is LC oscillation. Now we are going to damped oscillation. Damped. Damped oscillation means in a simple harmonic oscillation, if the amplitude of a vibrating body is gradually decreasing and after some time it will become stationary, this is called the damped oscillation. There will be a damping force on the body. A damping force will act. In a simple harmonic system, if the body oscillates with decreasing amplitude and the body will comes to rest, then this is called the damped oscillation. Like simple pendulum. If you oscillate this, there is a pendulum, and if you release this, then it will vibrate like this way, and after certain time it will comes to rest. So this is the damped oscillation. There is a damping force. This damping force reduces its speed. So damped oscillation. So what will be its graph? Its graph will be like this way. This is the like this. Gradually it is decreasing. This is the damped oscillation. Clear? Next, free oscillation. Free oscillation. Free oscillation. Free oscillation. Free oscillation means when a body vibrates with its own frequency. When a body will vibrate with its own frequency, then this is own natural frequency. Then it is called the free oscillation. Suppose a tuning fork, one prong of its is strike with a rubber pad, then it will vibrate with its own frequency. This is the free oscillation. When a body vibrates with its own frequency, then it is called the free oscillation. For example, suppose the prong of a tuning fork like this way instrument. This is called stem, these are called prongs. When these prongs are slightly struck with rubber pad, then it will vibrate with its own frequency. This is the free oscillation. Now coming forced oscillation. Forced oscillation. Forced oscillation means when a body is acted upon by a periodic force and the body will not vibrate with its own frequency but vibrate with the periodic force frequency, then this is called the forced oscillation. When a body vibrates with a periodic force and it will vibrate with the frequency of the periodic force, then it is called the forced oscillation. Suppose a tuning fork first vibrate and then it is placed, suppose this is table and placed like this way. The table will vibrate and the vibration of the table is called the forced oscillation or vibration. Okay. Now we are going to resonance. Both important. Resonance. Resonance. This is special case of force oscillation. Suppose a periodic force is acted upon a body. The body is vibrating with its natural frequency and the frequency of the periodic force is same to that of the natural frequency, then the body will vibrate with a larger amplitude. This is called the resonance. When a body is vibrating with its natural frequency with the help of a periodic force whose frequency is same to that of the natural frequency of the body, then the body will vibrate with a larger amplitude. This is called the resonance. मैं क्या बताया, एक बॉडी का ओन फ्रीक्वेंसी है, it is vibrating with its own frequency due to the periodic force, and periodic force also have some frequency. इसका भी some frequency है. वो फ्रीक्वेंसी बॉडी का नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ सेम होना है. जब वो दोनों सेम हो जाएगा, बॉडी का नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड पीरियोडिक फोर्स का फ्रीक्वेंसी जब सेम हो जाएगा, देन द बॉडी विल वाइब्रेट विद लार्जर एम्पलीट्यूड एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द रेजोनेंस. दो फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम होना चाहिए. कौन सा? बॉडी का नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड पीरियोडिक फोर्स जो अप्लाई किया इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी, दोनों का जब सेम हो जाएगा, देन द बॉडी विल वाइब्रेट विद लार्जर एम्पलीट्यूड. दिस इज कॉल्ड द रेजोनेंस. क्लियर? Like sometimes it is said that yes, suppose a team of soldiers are marching and they are crossing the bridge, then they are asked to stop the marching, because if the frequency of their marching will be equal to the frequency of the bridge, then bridge will vibrate with larger amplitude and then the bridge may collapse. So it is the example of resonance. This is the example of resonance. मैक्सिमम म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट में क्या होते हैं, रेजोनेंस होता है, उन लोग को और टाइट करके ठीक करते हैं रेजोनेंस करने के लिए, साउंड क्लियर होगा, मैंने जोर से मैंने लाउड होगा, इसी कारण से उन लोग रेजोनेंस बना लेते हैं। ठीक है, रेजोनेंस क्लियर। बॉडी का नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी जो पीरियोडिक फोर्स दिया उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम होना चाहिए, तब तो बॉडी क्या होगा, विथ लार्जर एम्पलीट्यूड वो वाइब्रेट करेगा। ठीक है, देन दिस इज कॉल्ड द रेजोनेंस। जैसे यहाँ पे बताया, एक सोल्जर का टीम जा रहा था मार्चिंग करके ब्रिज से ऑन द ओवर द ब्रिज, तो दे आर आस्क्ड टू स्टॉप बिकॉज due to their marching, bridge will vibrate. If the natural frequency of the bridge will be same to that of the marching frequency, then the bridge will vibrate with larger amplitude, and there is a chance to collapse the bridge, and so they are asked to stop marching. This is the example of resonance. Now, couple oscillation. Couple oscillation means suppose बहुत सारा body attached to each other and then they are vibrate, and at that time one will affect the vibration of the other. This is called a couple oscillation. Couple oscillation में that means कि क्या है, एक body another oscillation को affect करेगा। बहुत सारा ऑब्जेक्ट एक ही साथ कनेक्ट है एंड दे आर सपोज वाइब्रेटिंग, देन वाइब्रेशन ऑफ वन ऑब्जेक्ट विल अफेक्ट द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ द अदर ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड द coupled oscillation. Clear? So these are the important terms which we have to understand and also memorize. क्या क्या है? अनडैम्प्ड ऑसिलेशन. अनडैम्प्ड ऑसिलेशन मीन्स जिसका एम्पलीट्यूड ऑलवेज सेम होगा. डैम्प्ड ऑसिलेशन एम्पलीट्यूड ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीज होगा, डैम्पिंग फोर्स एक्ट करेगा. फ्री ऑसिलेशन बॉडी वाइब्रेट करेगा विथ इट्स ओन नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी में. फोर्स ऑसिलेशन बॉडी का पर एक पीरियोडिक फोर्स एक्ट होगा, बॉडी इसका नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी में वाइब्रेट नहीं करके और पीरियोडिक फोर्स का फ्रीक्वेंसी में वाइब्रेट करेगा. फोर्स ऑसिलेशन. रेजोनेंस बॉडी का नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी पीरियोडिक फोर्स का फ्रीक्वेंसी दोनों जब सेम हो जाएगा, बॉडी वाइब्रेट करेगा विद लार्जर एम्पलीट्यूड. दिस इज द रेजोनेंस. एंड देन कपल्ड ऑसिलेशन. कपल्ड ऑसिलेशन मीन्स बहुत सारा ऑब्जेक्ट कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर. इफ they oscillates, then one body affect the oscillation of the other body. This is called the coupled oscillation. Clear? Bye.